Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you navigate the wild world of tech gadgets and make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two high-flying contenders, the Temize 4K drone, Product A, and the Chubery Super Enduring Drone, Product B. Buckle up because this is going to be one heck of a drone showdown. First up, let's talk cameras. The Temize 4K drone is equipped with a 4K UHD camera and a 110 degrees FOV lens, promising jaw-dropping high-res images and videos. Reviewers rave about its photo and video quality, making it perfect for those "I'm definitely a professional photographer" Instagram posts. On the other hand, the Chubery Super Enduring Drone sports a 2K HD camera with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. While it offers good photo and video quality, it's more like comparing a blockbuster movie to a sitcom. Reviewers appreciate its camera stability, but agree that Temize has the edge in this department. Next, let's talk flight time. Temize drone has a flight time of around 20 minutes per battery, which reviewers find decent but not extraordinary. Meanwhile, Chubery boasts 3 upgraded batteries, offering a whopping 84 minutes of flight time in total. This allows for extended sessions of fun and creativity. Reviewers are impressed with Chubery's extended flight time, making it the clear winner in this round. Now, let's dive into features and usability. The Temize 4K drone comes packed with features like one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, and an optical flow positioning sensor for accurate hovering. It also includes gravity control, speed adjustment, and 3D flips, making it a versatile gadget. Reviewers love its comprehensive feature set and ease of use, though some find it tricky to manage in windy conditions. Chubery, however, also offers a robust set of features such as one-key start landing, altitude hold, follow me, 3D flips, gesture selfies, and trajectory flight. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly controls and high-quality build, but note that it's less feature-packed compared to Temize. Both drones are impressive, but Temize edges ahead with its additional sensor and features. Alright, let's talk money. The Temize 4K drone is priced at a cool $99, offering a lot of bang for your buck with its 4K camera and extensive features. Reviewers find it an excellent value for the price, though some mention issues with replacement parts and battery availability. Meanwhile, Chubery comes in at $149, which includes those extra batteries and longer flight time. Reviewers feel that while it's more expensive, the extended flight time and durability offer good value for those willing to spend a bit more. The decision here ultimately depends on your budget and what you prioritize in a drone. Reviewers generally praise the Temize 4K drone for its excellent camera quality, ease of use, and extensive features, though some note issues with battery life and replacement parts. The Chubery Super Enduring Drone receives commendations for its extended flight time, user-friendly controls, and durable build, although a few users experienced issues with stability. So there you have it, folks. The Temize 4K drone with its stunning camera and feature-packed design versus the Chubery Super Enduring Drone with its epic flight time and robust build. Both have their strengths, and it really boils down to what you value more: top-notch camera quality and features, or longer flight time and durability. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.